Understanding trying to impress in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video where we will be diving into the interesting world of English phrases. Today's focus is on the phrase, trying to impress. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use this phrase confidently in your everyday English. So, let's get started. Trying to impress is a phrase used to describe the act of attempting to make someone admire or respect you, often by doing something notable or displaying favorable qualities. It's about making a strong, positive impact on someone, usually to gain their approval or attention. This phrase is often used in social and professional contexts. Social context. In a social setting, trying to impress could involve actions like dressing in a certain way, showcasing talents, or displaying knowledge about a topic to gain friends or romantic interests' admiration. Professional context. In the workplace, this phrase might involve going above and beyond in tasks, showcasing skills, or taking initiatives to impress a boss or colleague. 1. Social example. He bought the latest sports car, trying to impress his friends. 2. Professional example. She stayed late every evening last week, trying to impress her new boss. When using trying to impress, it's important not to confuse it with just making an effort. Effort is general and can be for oneself, while trying to impress is specifically about influencing others' opinions about you. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, trying to impress. Remember, it's all about attempting to gain admiration or respect from others through actions or qualities. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more effectively in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.